Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this paper about probability, and this is for the exam preparation which will happen shortly. So the first question is about a fair red spinner has a number of 1, 2, 2 and 3, and a fair blue spinner has the age of -3, -2, -1, -1. Each spinner is spin once and the number of the age is noted. And then we count the x, which is the sum of resulting two numbers. So let's draw it. In the first spinner, we have 1, 2, 2, and 3. And the second spinner, we have -3, -2, -1, and -1. Now, we have to write down what is the probability of the outcome of x. So this is x, this is the first spinner, this is the second spinner. If we get 1 on the first spinner, we have the probability of getting -3 on the second, or -2, or -1 and -1. So therefore, the x should be -2, -1, 0, and 0. This is if we get 1 on the first. Now, what if we get 2 on the first? The probability distribution will look something like this. So there's 2 here. And we can get -3, -2, -1, and -1. And the result of x should be -1, 0, 1, and 1. Now, we have two set of 2. So this part, we should times it with 2, yeah? We have the same identical distribution like this. And now the third one will look like this. On the first spinner, we get 3. And then the second spinner, we get -3, -2, -1, and -1. So the x should be 0, and then 1, and then 2, and then 2. Now, out of all this outcome, we have 16 possible outcome. So 16 is everything. So this is the x, this is the px. The x, the smaller one is -2, and then -1, 0, 1, and 2. -2 is 1 outcome, so it's 1 out of 16. -1 is 1, 2, because we times it with 2, we count it 2 times. So 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 out of 16. And then 0, 1, 2, 3. We count this twice. So 4, 5. 5 out of 16. And then 1 is 1 time, 2 time. We times 2 because we count this part 2 times, yeah? So now we have 4 and then this one. So 5 out of 16. And for the result of 2, we got 1, 2 results. So 2 out of 16. Now, how do we check if we get the probability correct? We should try to add everything up. If the result is 1, then we found everything correctly. So 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5, it's 9, plus 5, it's 14, plus 2, it's 16. So it's 16 over 16, so we got the result of 1, which means we found the correct probability. So this is the answer for number 1A about the probability distribution.